Right from time, clay has been known to have amazing benefits for the hair and skin. Besides the benefits on the screen, clay washes have helped reduce frizz and also greatly improved my hair porosity. Introducing clay washes to my regimen has worked like magic on my hair, and clay has easily become a staple in my wash routine. Adding oils and other products to your clay mix is optional, and as we go further in the video, you'll get to see the added benefits each of them provide to hair health and growth. Usually, I dilute my mix with some water, and also be sure to use plastics only as metals are said to interfere with the effectiveness of the clay. So let's get right into the video. I'll be back with some more later. So if you didn't notice, when I was applying the clay I avoided my scalp. That's because I prefer to use a shampoo for only the scalp area. Although that doesn't mean it's wrong to use clay on your scalp. It's just a personal preference. I'd usually hold my hair this way and shampoo my scalp and then rinse it all out. Here I'm just showing you guys how well the clay rinsed out, leaving my hair looking and feeling cleansed and squeaky clean. Clay can be drying, so I often follow my washes with a super moisturizing conditioner. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. And if you've tried a clay wash or plan on trying one, do let me know how it goes. Bye.